Hello everyone, my name is Marcus. Today our topic is about how to set sequential valve gate. So here is a model with full drop hot runner, and in the pre-processing, if you want to simulate the valve gate control, you have to set up the attribute here, the valve gate control ID 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can edit how many number of the valve gate and assign to valve gate 1, 2, 3, 4 as you are demanding. And to the process setting, okay, we go to the wrong one, the process setting, filling packing setting, advanced setting. You will see this one if you have the valve gate attribute in the model. So first, there's an option. By default, it's shut off at all the valve gate automatically at end of packing. And to control the point, for example, I set 2 control point. Initial state close. At certain condition, it will open. So here's the option we can use. First one is for the timing. So about 0.5 seconds the valve gate can open. The second one is the flow from by node. So you will have this select button here to select the which node on your model. The third one is fill volume. So it's just 20% or 30%, 50% volume. Reach the volume, the valve gate will open. Next is about the timing after VP switch. So it will open when reach the VP switch point. But here you can still see the time value you can input. So here this time is because you can set up the delay. After the VP switch point, delay 0.1 second, 0.2 second. So it's an extra option if you use the VP switch. And next is a flow from by hot runner tip. So in conventional, we have to, if you want to set the male from reach certain valve gate, then the valve gate will open. We need to set up the certain node. But this option is once the male from reach this hot runner tip, it will open. So you don't have to set up the certain node because everyone will set the different node. But we just choose this one. So male from reach the hot runner tip, it will open. And also an extra option here, you can set the delay 0.1 second, 0.2 second. And the RAM position, so it also support the machine RAM position control once you use the machine mode instead of the CAE mode. Okay, so the run one first, this run is the all open. So you can see, okay, I just go back to the original setting of this run. So it's four of the valve gate are open at the beginning. So let's see how the result look like. So each of them open at the beginning. And one of the important result is when you run the valve gate setting, you can enable the particle tracer, and there is a gate ID tracer. So through this tracer, okay, switch, draw the particle tracer by line. Because this one, if you set the particle tracer display their ID, you can clearly see how their contribution of an entire part. Like this one is very average, quarter of them contribution. Okay, so let's go to the second one. It's by hot runner tip. So we still go to the process to make sure our setting the run 1 open, and the run 2 is flow from by hot runner tip, as well as run 3 and run 4. So once the melt front reach the hot runner tip, it will open. And yeah, we just directly see the particle tracer by get ID. This result is more clear. We can see directly. So the particle tracer result can also support the animation play. So it's the first one reach this gate, open, and next, and the next one. Okay. So the run 3 is opened by the field volume. So we set the process and the valve gate open by 25%, 50%, and 75%. And the result shows here the particle tracer get ID. Okay, so here you can see, they cover the same volume. Once you reach 25%, then the other open 50%, 75%. So it's kind of a little bit different than if you control by the node ID. And the run number 4, we use open by node. So it's more like the traditional way we use the node to control. We use the flow from by each node. So let's display prop name. Okay. So here show you the number and the corresponding open. So the idea is just before melt front reach the tip, we open that hot tip. Okay, so the result is a little bit different. The particle tracer by the get ID. Okay, so you can see, so it's a little bit earlier than if you just set on the hot runner tip. Okay, so finally I will put them all together, round 1 and round 2. And also round 3. And each of them display the get ID particle tracer sync result. Okay, so in this view you can check how different and when we set up like the all open at beginning, and this one is by the hot runner tip, and this one is by the field volume, and this one for reach a certain node. Okay, so this is about today's topic about how to set up the sequential valve gate. And if you have any comment, please write your comment in below and tell us if you have any interesting topic. Thank you and see you. Bye.